Today I'm going to be showing you how to play the Tibetan Tingsha Bells. These are also known as prayer bells, but they're used in a variety of mediums such as sound therapy, gong baths, and in traditional temples. So to play the bells, what you want to do is hold the rope and just gently tap one of the bells on the other, like this. And you can do this with either hand. The purpose of them is to clear negative energy and allow the positive energy to come through, and you can even bash them together at the same time. It's a very high-pitched tone, but it's also very relaxing. Anyway, if you want to check these out, I will put a link in the description so that you can do that. Thank you so much for watching.